Hi friends, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல ஏடிஎம் ஓட ஹிஸ்டரி இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். In the 1960s, many teams around the world worked independently to develop a method of withdrawing money. From the bank house after committing a crime. The timeline of ATM attempts and deployment is given below. So friends, உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் புரியாது அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இங்கே கீழே வந்து தமிழ்லையும் இருக்குது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நீங்கள் அதை பார்த்துக்கலாம். In 1960, Leather George Simpson, an American phonograph invented a machine that allowed customers to deposit money and checks. The first ATM was Barclays on a street in Enfield, London in June 1967. Allows checks to deposit. The first ATM was set up in June in 1967 at a branch of Barclays Bank on a street in Enfield, London. The British inventor John Shepherd Barron added pride to its invention. The machine allowed customers to withdraw money maximum of 10 GB at a time. So friends, இங்கே வந்து 10 GB அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறது வந்து 10,033.833 paise. US in the use of ATM was pointed by engineer Donald Walter of Douglas. The first ATM in the United States was opened in September 1969. Donald Watson was a pioneer. The first ATM in the United States was established in September 1969 at the chemical branch in Rockefeller Center, New York, with caption, "Our bank will open at 9 a.m. on September 2 and will never close again."
In 1970, a British engineer, James Godfrey, proposed the concept of personal identification number, which automatically verifies the identity of customers, thus making the resource of the self-service bank. Automatically verifies, thus marking an important moment in development of self-service bank. In 1977, with Citibank pledged more than $100 million to install machines throughout New York City. US saw a huge rise in ATM numbers. ATM usage rose 20% as Blizzard forced all the city's bank to close their branches for several days. In 1977, the US national software and technology companies based in company's national cash register and introduced to NCR model 770, an easy to operate ATM that allows bank to provide 24/7 services. Introduced in early 1980, the new model 5070 ATM proved to be very reliable, flexible and customer friendly.
By 1984, the number of ATM installed worldwide was 100 as
1 lakh. As of 2018, there were more than 3 million ATMs operating worldwide, installing constantly. According to the company Retail Bank Research, that number is projected to cross 4 million by 2021. The first decade of 21st century saw an increase in the number of ATM scams using technologies such as a sophisticated malware or skimming devices. To be one step ahead, banking have developed softwares that can detect discrepancies in transaction data indicating illegal activity, despite the growth popularly of digital payments in 21st century transactions. Despite the popularity of digital payment services in 21st century, money is still preferred for transaction in most part of the world. ATMs, bank branches, mobile banking and internet banking are expected to complement each other in future. The role of social environment in the development of ATMs. The social background in various countries in 1960s and 1970s played a key role in further increasing the cost of ATMs. In UK, the labor union
played a key role further increasing the case of ATMs.
In UK, trade union gained power and influence during that period. The banking union have been putting unprecedented pressure on bank to close on Saturday. At the same time, automation is a key word that attracts people, and it was considered to save time and labor cost. Automate the teller process all stakeholders. It also seemed to innovate. US in banks faced opposition from their employees to their dreadful working hours. The drive for ATMs is reduced. Banking hours reduce congestion at bank branches and reduce labor cost. The opportunity to attract more customers with the glossy new gadget applied to merchants and opened the doors to sell them on loan and credit cards. The opportunity to attract more customers with the glossy new gadget applied to the merchants and opened the doors to sell them loans and credit cards. The advent of ATMs dissolved the banking industry and changed the way treated their customers. People began to identify themselves with the branch of bank rather than the individual bank. The ATM amplified the ubiquitous nature of the bank, where the bank could link to branch or man. The bank is not tied to a branch or man, is available 24/7 and can be accepted through machines and later through mobiles and laptops. அவ்வளோதான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ இதோட முடிஞ்சது. இதுக்குரிய தமிழ் டெஃபனிஷனை அண்டு இப்போ நான் ஃபாஸ்ட்டு எல்லாத்தையுமே உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் கொடுக்க, அதை நீங்கள் போய் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க உங்களுக்கு தேவைப்பட்டுச்சுன்னா. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் நம்ம சேனலை நீங்கள் புதுசாக பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.